Hello and welcome to our finance channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important financial goals you should have: saving for retirement. Many people underestimate the amount of money they'll need in retirement. However, with the right planning and saving strategies, you can ensure that you have enough money to live comfortably during your golden years. The first step in saving for retirement is to determine how much you'll need to save. This will depend on a variety of factors, such as your current age, desired retirement age, expected retirement expenses, and expected retirement income sources. Once you have a target savings goal in mind, you can start to develop a retirement savings plan. There are several retirement account options available, such as 401(k)s, IRAs, and Roth IRAs, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. If your employer offers a 401(k) plan, it's usually a good idea to take advantage of it. Many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money that can help you reach your retirement savings goals faster. If you don't have access to a 401(k) plan, you can still save for retirement by opening an individual retirement account, IRA. IRAs come in two types: traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs allow you to deduct your contributions on your tax return, while Roth IRAs allow your savings to grow tax-free. Another option for retirement savings is investing in real estate, such as buying rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Regardless of the retirement savings strategies you choose, it's important to start early and stay consistent. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the power of compounding interest. In addition to regular contributions, it's also important to periodically review and adjust your retirement savings plan as needed. This can help you stay on track and ensure that you're meeting your retirement savings goals. Saving for retirement is one of the most important financial goals you should have, and with the right planning and strategies, you can achieve financial security in your golden years. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on managing your money and achieving financial freedom.